In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Odoo, step by step. If you're looking to freshen up the look of your Odoo site, or make it more aligned with your brand, you're in the right place. Whether you're an Odoo novice or someone a bit more familiar, I'll guide you through the entire process, ensuring it's as simple as possible. First things first, head over to the official Odoo website. You can easily find Odoo by searching Open Source ERP and CRM Odoo in your favorite search engine, or simply type in the URL if you have it handy. Once you're on the homepage, you're one step closer to giving your site a fresh new look. Now that you're on the Odoo site, it's time to log in. Look for the Sign In button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and then enter your credentials. Make sure you have your email and password ready, as you'll need them to gain access to your dashboard. If you happen to forget your password, there's usually a reset option. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your personal Odoo dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all things Odoo. From here, everything is accessible, from your apps to your databases. Since we're focusing on changing the theme, direct your attention to the website option. This should be somewhere in your module icons or list. Click on Website to take you to the section where you can manage your site's appearance. Currently, Odoo might be displaying its default theme, or a theme you previously selected. But don't worry, we're about to change that. Now comes the creative part. Look for the Edit button. This button is your gateway to customization. By clicking on Edit, you're allowing yourself to manipulate the different aspects of your site, including the selection of a new theme that resonates most with your brand or taste. Next, click on Theme. This is where the magic happens. You're presented with various theme options. Each has its unique style and features. Take your time browsing and exploring the different themes available. Think about what best fits your company's identity, or the feel you're aiming to impart to your visitors. Once you make your choice, select the theme you want, and Odoo will apply it for you. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your theme in Odoo. Feel free to refresh your site and admire the new look. Changing your theme is an excellent way to keep your website's visual appeal fresh and up to date. Don't hesitate to repeat the process if you find another theme you prefer in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped simplify the process for you. See you next time.